RSR. Oh, RSR, my friend. RSR. Wow. What's going on here, guys? Wow, it's close, it's close, it's close. Can I pick this one? Can I pick this one? I don't know, but it's quite intense. Wow, would I want to pick this? It's too close. No, I wouldn't take it. This will hit 80 very soon. No, I wouldn't take it because it's too close to 80. But this can really go. This can really. I'm tempted, guys. Let's just quickly take it. I mean, it has. Let's quickly take it. RSR. Let's take the RSR. Oh my God, I love RSR. Let's see whether it will go. Let's see. Did it go? Did it go? I think it did. Let's quickly go and set our sell limit. RSR. Oh my God. Let's see whether it will quickly go. It will quickly 2%. Just a 2% trade, guys. 2%. Will it go? Let's see. Let's go and put this at 7. Would it get to 7? I don't know. Let's see. It should go beyond 7, guys. It should go beyond 7. It should go to 7.5. Let me see what it will happen. That's too much. That is too much. Oh, it's at 6.9 already. Let's put it at 7.2. Whether it will go to that. Okay, I think we're cool. I think I have to go to 7.1. 7.1. Okay, I think I'm cool with this one. Let's go with it. Well, we're currently at 7.1. Has it gone? Oh, it's okay. Currently, we're here, right? How much did we buy? How much did we buy it? I just set it at that amount. I wasn't sure. Okay, 49.88. Okay, we didn't get to buy everything. 49.88 is what we bought. Okay, let's see how that goes. Let's see whether it will go. Oh, it's gone down a bit. Oh, I hope I haven't made a mistake. I do hope that it will surely go beyond. It's at 7.7 right now. Let's see. It's at 7.8. Let's see whether it will go up. Let's see whether I will push up. 7.7, 7.7, 7.7. Oh, it's like it's struggling. Come on, push, guy, push. I don't know. I hope I didn't take the wrong trade. I really do hope so. 7.2. Let's see. Oh, what's that? 7,002. I didn't get. Let's see whether it will go up. Oh, it's like it went down. Let's hope. You see, when I see this kind of thing, can you see that bend of the parabolic SAR? It shows that it's going to have some extra push. That's what it shows. So sometimes some other things that I see also make me go for it. Let me check the 1 minute check. But I should have done that even before taking it. I should have done that before taking the trade. Yes, I'm just doing the 1 minute check. Well, it looks like it's gonna go up, but anyways, let's just leave it. Let's hope that this one we took it well. Let's hope that we took it well. Did we take it well? Let's see. Let's hope it is going well. All right, so we are heading towards 7.2, guys. Did I put 7.2? I think it was 7.2 I put, guys. I think it's 7.2. Was it 7.2? Let me go and check what I put because I can't remember. Yes, it was 7.1. Oh, I put 7.1. Okay. So let's hope that it does quickly hit it, guys. Yeah. Let's hope that this is going to hit it. It's at 69.30, guys. It's at 69.30. Come on. Let's see whether this is going to push this thing up. Come on, push it up. Push it up, guy. Push it up. Let's hope that it does. Oh, it's at 69.34. Can you get that? Can you keep on going? Yeah. Okay, let me leave it. It's going. Let's just leave it for now. So we're waiting for RSR to hit the target. Oh, 6976. Oh my God. Hello. Kakon says, how do I start trading? I'm new to this skill sometimes. No problem. Let me put a link in this place. Just send me a DM. I'm just going to send you this. Just send me a DM. I'll give you all the information you need. I'm going to just send you, let me try and paste it. It's not pasting. I don't know. You can check the, what's it called now? The pinned comments. You will see a link there. Just copy it out, right? Okay, now I'm going to be able to paste it now. So I'm dropping a link in the chat right now. Can you see I'm dropped a link in the chat, right? All you just have to do, yes, just all you have to, thank you, Dale. He said I'm already celebrating. Oh my God, we're at 70, guys. See it? 70, we hit 70, guys. Yeah, so just copy that link, right? Copy that link, and then you can type it into your browser and send me a message. I'll give you more information about it, okay? Oh, it said 70 is your target. Oh my God, I'm waiting for your target. I love that your target, because if it gets to 7, oh my God, we're at 7-1. Oh, we have executed our RSR trade. Oh my God, I thank you, Jesus. Look at it. Beautiful, guys. Can you see this? We got executed, man. We got executed. Oh my God. RSR executed. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. Can you see that? Oh my God. This is beautiful. RSR has executed. Beautiful. And what did we execute as? We put it as it was supposed to give us. Can you remember what it was supposed to give us? It executed in 2 portions. I can't even remember. What was it supposed to give us? I can't remember. I have to go and calculate. I love this. Oh my God. Let's go and calculate it. It's 47.40, 3.64. Okay, 47.40, 3.64. All right. Hold on, guys. 47.40 and 3.64. Let me go and calculate that so that we can have an idea of what that gives us. 47.40, 3.64. Okay, let's go check that out. 47.40 plus 3.64. All right. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my God, 47 points. Okay, 51.04. Yes, 51.04. Now I remember. 51.04 is what we get, and we have to take off the charges. So we have 51.04. So that is giving us, and don't forget, it will take off 5 cents. But first of all, let's just calculate it directly. 51.04 minus minus what? 49 points. Is it 88? I need to go and check. Let's check how much. Oh my God, it's at 71.78. Can you just see that? So I was trying to see, what was I was trying to see? Yeah, how much did we buy? We bought 49.88. Okay, let's go and see that. 49.88. Okay, so we got $1.16. Okay, $1.16, and then I will take off 5 cents. Okay, don't forget, 5 cents is what we now, because we have to take that off from what we have done currently right now. So that is minus 0.505. So we got $1.11. Okay, $1.11. So what is that? So that's what was the percentage? We spent 49.88 times, right? That was $1.11. So if I put, is it 2.4? It's not up to 2.4. $1.11, right? No, 2.3. Let me see. No, 2.25. What am I doing? 2.24. Yeah, 2.24, something in that range. 2.24% for RSR.